Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we're teaching you how to make the Raspberry Margarita. First, add a handful of raspberries to your cocktail shaker and muddle. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite tequila. Next, add 1 ounce of triple sec. Next, add 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, add a ½ ounce of raspberry syrup. Now add ice and shake until well chilled. Now if you prefer salt, salt the rim of the glass and add ice. Now pour. Now garnish with a lime wheel and fresh raspberries. And that's how you make the Raspberry Margarita. Enjoy.